Let's look at a lesson from Tili Kannada grade 7. The name of this lesson is Bandedda Mundaragi Bhimaraya and it's written by Dr. Ningu Solagi. Bhimaraya is the name of a person and he is from a place called as Mundaragi, which is in Gadag district. And he was a freedom fighter and he revolted against the Britishers. So Bandedda means thundered. So he was the one who thundered against the Britishers. That's the meaning. And Aitihasika Nataka. So this is a historical drama. So this lesson is in a form of a drama. Drishya 1, Scene 1. This is a Scene 1. British Adhikariya Karyalaya Paschyata Sangeetada Hinnale. So it is the office of the British officer and there is Western music that is heard in the background. British Adhikari. Eni Anahuta. Raichuru. ಧಾರವಾಡ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಕೋಟೆ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಆದರೆ ಭೀಮರಾವ್ ಕೆಂಚನಗೌಡ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದರೇನು? So the British officer, he is asking, what an unfortunate situation. All the collectors of Raichur and Dharwad, they said that they were very alert all the time and they were guarding the Koppala fort. But when Bhimrao and Kenchanagowda, when they came, what were the collectors doing? Were they keeping their eyes shut? Hughes, sir, namma security guard namage vishwasaghata ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So Hughes is saying our security guards have betrayed us. ಮಕ್ತುಮ್ ಸಾಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಸಂಗಡಿಗರು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಅವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So Maktum Saab, he is in charge of security. He and his companions have worked for us, but they have helped Bhimrao and Kenchanagowda. Avare koteya bagilu terediddare. They have only opened the door of that fort for Bhimarao and Kenchanagowda. British Adhikari. Major Hughes. Iga samayaveshtu. So the British officer is asking Major Hughes, what is the time now? Hughes, sir, it is 9:30 p.m. 30th May 1858, sir. British Adhikari, I see. ನೀವೀಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಶ್ವದಳದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಡಲು ಅನುವಾಗಿ. So the British officer is telling to Hughes that within 1 hour you take our cavalry and make all arrangements to leave from here. Cavalry means a team with horses. The soldiers who are sitting on the horses. So a team of soldiers on the horse. ನಾಳೆ 31ರ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 26 ಮೈಲಿ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕೊಪ್ಪಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೋಟೆಯನ್ನು ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. So he is telling Hughes to be ready with the cavalry. So that the next day morning they go 26 miles away to Koppala fort and take control of that fort. Hughes, yes sir, but namma soldiers kadime iddare. So Hughes is saying, yes sir, we will do it, but our soldiers are very less. Bhimarav jote hege fight maduvudu, avaronddige ಹೋರಾಡುವುದು ಸುಲಭವಲ್ಲ sir. So Hughes is saying, since we have very few soldiers, it is not possible to fight against Bhimrao. How can we do it? It is not possible. British Adhikari, you are a fool. Hughes, no sir, yes sir. British Adhikari, nimage adara chinte beda. So the British officer is saying, you don't have to worry about it. Munde hogi paristiti parishilisi. You just go ahead and examine the situation. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಗಸೂರಿನಿಂದ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಿನಿಂದ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಟೇಲರ್ ಕರ್ನೂಲಿನಿಂದ ಅಶ್ವದಳ ಬಾಬುರಾವ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾವ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾರೆ. So the British officer is saying all these people are going to come. They are all going to come to the Koppala fort. So people from different places. And Captain Rutherford leadership ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಸೈನಿಕ ತುಕಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. And under the leadership of Rutherford, a troop is going to come. A troop by name Highlanders, they are also going to come. ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ, go ahead. So he's saying you don't have to worry because I have made arrangements for all other army teams to come from different places. So under the leadership of Rutherford, there is Highlanders troop, the soldiers troop which is named as Highlanders, which are going to come there. So you just go ahead. Hughes, right sir, ಭೀಮರಾಯನನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತ ಜೀವಂತ ಹಿಡಿದು ತರುತ್ತೇವೆ. So Hughes says, okay sir, definitely we will try and surely get him back alive. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ, ಅವನು ಸಿಡಿಲು ಮರಿ ಗೆರಿಲ್ಲಾ ಯುದ್ಧ ಪರಿಣಿತನಾದ, ಅವನನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಯಲು ಹೋದರೆ ಸಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತನ್ನವರನ್ನು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿ ಬಾಂಬುಗಳಂತೆ ಸ್ಫೋಟಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಗುಂಡೇಟಿನ ಗುರಿಕಾರ, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಶೂಟರ್, ಎಚ್ಚರದಿಂದ ಹೊಂಚು ಹಾಕಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ತನ್ನಿ. So the British officer, he is warning Hughes and he is telling about Bhim Rao. So he says, avanu sidilina mari, means he is like a thunder, like a thunderbolt. Guerrilla yuddha parinitanada avanu, and he is an expert in the guerrilla warfare. Avanannu hidiyalu hodare sidiyuttane, and if you try to go and catch him, he'll just burst away. ತನ್ನವರನ್ನು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿ ಬಾಂಬುಗಳಂತೆ ಸ್ಫೋಟಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ, and he will incite and encourage all his team members and they will explode like bombs. ಅವನು ಗುಂಡೇಟಿನ ಗುರಿಗಾರ, and he is a very sharp shooter. ಎಚ್ಚರದಿಂದ ಹೊಂಚು ಹಾಕಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ತನ್ನಿ. So carefully plan and get him back alive. Hughes, yes sir, we are going to arrest him. Yes sir. Now we have the scene 2, ದೃಶ್ಯ 2. ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಕೋಟೆಯ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೇನಾನಿಗಳ ಸಭೆ, ಹೊರಗೆ ಕೋಟೆ ಬುರುಜಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಸಜ್ಜಿತರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸೇನಾನಿಗಳು ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is a scene inside the Koppala fort. Okay, and a lot of soldiers and army people, they are having a meeting. Outside on a small tower, people are ready with the weapons there. Some soldiers are ready with the weapons there. ಭೀಮರಾಯ, ಸೇನಾನಿಗಳೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಹಸ ಮೆಚ್ಚುವಂತದ್ದು. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರನ್ನು ಬಗ್ಗು ಬಡಿದು ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಕೋಟೆ ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಬಾವುಟ ಹಾರಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. So Bhimaraya, he is appreciating all the soldiers there. So he is telling them that your bravery, I appreciate your bravery. You have crushed the Britishers. Britisharannu baggu badisi means you have crushed them and you have seized this Koppala fort. And you have you have risen the flag of victory here. ಆದರೆ ಇದಿನ್ನು ಹೋರಾಟದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ. But this is still the beginning. It's just the beginning of our revolt. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಹೋರಾಡೋಣ. ಕೆಚ್ಚೆದೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋರಾಡಲು ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿರಿ. So he's saying this is just the beginning of a revolt. We still have a lot to do. We have to chase the British away from our country. Until then, we have to be ready to face them and fight with them courageously. ಕರಿಯಪ್ಪ, ನಾಳೆ ದಿವಸ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸೈನ್ಯ ಬರೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಐತಿ. So Kariyappa is saying tomorrow definitely the Britishers are not going to keep quiet. They are going to get in lot more soldiers and army. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮದ್ದುಗುಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಳಕೆ ಆದ್ವೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ರಿ ದಣಿ. So he's telling today we have made use of most of our ammunition which was there with us. So tomorrow what do we do? Because the Britishers are going to come, they are going to come with a huge army and lot of soldiers. Kenchanagowda, nanagu ade chintyaagaiti. So Kenchanagowda saying even I am worried about that. ಇವತ್ತ ಬಲ್ಲಂಗ ಅವರ ಗುಂಡಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಗುಂಡು ಹಾರಿಸಿ ಬೆಚ್ಚಿ ಬೀಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So he's saying today we were able to take control. We could fight against them and we could have success fighting against them. But I don't know what's going to happen today. what's going to happen tomorrow? Bhimaraya, Chinti Madi Prayojana illa. So Bhimaraya is saying there's no use worrying. ನಾವು 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಟೆ 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ವಾಟಿಯೊಳಗ ಆದೀವಿ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ತಂತ್ರ ಬಳಸಿ ಅವರನ್ನ ಒಳಗ ಬರದಂಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So he's saying there's no use of worrying and we have to somehow make sure that they don't enter the fort. ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಎದಿ ಸೀಳ್ಸಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದೇಹಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇಡಿದರೆ ಸಿಗುವ ವಸ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲ. So he's saying we have to do something. We have to make sure that we not let the officers come inside. We have to throw bombs or bullets on them and tear their hearts. And freedom is not something which you will get very easily. Even if you earnestly beg, you will not get it. It's not easy to get freedom. You have to fight, you have to struggle to get it. ಹೋರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿದೀವಿ. So we have to fight and get it. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಗುಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಲಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸರಿ, ಛಲ ಬಿಡೋದು ಬ್ಯಾಡ, ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡೇ ತೀರೋಣ. So he's saying even if we fall prey to the bullets from the Britishers, let our determination not die. We have to fight until we get our freedom. ಕೆಂಚನಗೌಡ, ಆಯ್ತು ರಾಯರೇ, ಇಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ತೆಗೆಯದಿರೋಣ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ. So Kenchanagowda is saying yes, we will not take back our steps which we have put forward now. ದೃಶ್ಯ 3, scene 3. ಕೋಟೆಯ ಹೊರಭಾಗ, ಗಲಿಬಿಲಿ ಗದ್ದಲ, ಗುಂಡು ಸಿಡಿಸಿದ ಸದ್ದು. So now this is outside the fort. Outside the fort there is a lot of noise and people and you can even hear the bullets, the sound of the bullets. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿಸುವಂತೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಧ್ವನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಭೀಮರಾವ್ ಕೇಳು, ಇನ್ನು 3 ಗಂಟೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಟೆಯ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕೋಟೆಯನ್ನು ವೆಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಗಂಭೀರ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಎದುರಿಸಬೇಕಾದೀತು ಎಚ್ಚರ. So there is a voice that they are hearing from outside. The British officers are making an announcement. The announcement is so loud that the voice is echoing back. They are telling to Bhimarao that within 3 hours, all of you who all are there inside the fort, you have to vacate the fort and surrender. Otherwise, you have to face very serious consequences. Be warned that you will be facing a lot of serious consequences if you do not surrender yourself within the next 3 hours. ಭೀಮರಾಯ, ಹೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೊಡ್ಡು ಬೆದರಿಕೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆದರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ರಾವಗ. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ ಏನಿದ್ರು ಈ ನೆಲದಿಂದ ಅಟ್ಟೋದೊಂದೇ. ಗೆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ, ಸತ್ತರೆ ವೀರ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ. So Bhimrao is saying, he's laughing and he's saying, I am not a person who will get scared to such ineffective threats. My only aim is to make this land free and chase you all away. If I win, I get my freedom. If not, I will be martyred. I will have a brave death. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ, ಭೀಮರಾವ್, ನೀನು ಸಾಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇತುವೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವ ಸಾಹಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. So the British officer is saying, you have braved to build a bridge over a sea. Means you have taken a very, very bold step. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಂಡಾಯದಿಂದ ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನವಿಲ್ಲ. But there is no use of your revolt or such a bold step that you have taken. There is absolutely going to be no use of it. ಬಾ ಹೊರಗೆ, ಕೋಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡು. Come outside and leave the fort. ಶರಣಾದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸ್ಥಾನ ನೀಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. So they are telling him, if you surrender, you will be treated well. So leave the fort, vacate the fort and come outside. ಭೀಮರಾಯ, ಏ ಪರಂಗಿ, ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗೋದು ತನಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇತರರಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. So now Bhimraya he is responding and he is saying, Parangi means foreigner. Hey, you foreigner, don't you know that a lamp lights not for itself, The lamp lights so that it shows path for the others, so that it gives light for other people. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋರಾಟ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. So the struggle or the revolt we are doing is not for ourselves. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಾಸ್ಯದಿಂದ ಈ ನಾಡಿನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So he's saying we are doing this, we are fighting and we are revolting to remove the slavery. Our land has become slaves to you. So to free or release our land from your slavery, we are fighting and we are not going to step back. ದಾಸ್ಯದ ಅರಮನೆಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರದ ಸೆರೆಮನೆಯೇ ಲೇಸು. So he's saying it's better to live in a prison which is of freedom than to live in a palace of slavery. ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಎಂದು ಹಿಮ್ಮುಖವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜೈ ಕನಕರಾಯ, ಜೈ ಮೃಡಗಿರೀಶ. So he's saying revolution will always not happen backwards. Revolution has to move forward. So we will not surrender. We will not come out. ಕೆಂಚನಗೌಡ, ಜೈ ವೀರಭದ್ರ, ಜೈ ಮೃಡಗಿರೀಶ. ಗುಂಡಿನ ಕಾಳಗ ಸೈನಿಕರು ಉರುಳಿ ಬೀಳುವರು, ಗೌಡನಿಗೆ ಗುಂಡೇಟು ಬೀಳುವುದು. So ಕೆಂಚನಗೌಡ is also screaming ಜೈ ವೀರಭದ್ರ, ಜೈ ಮೃಡಗಿರೀಶ. That time they hear noise of bullets and a lot of soldiers which they fall down, they roll down, and also a bullet hits Kenchanagowda. Ha, ayyo. So he is hit with a bullet and he is screaming. Bhimaraya, Kenchanagowda. And now Bhimaraya is surprised and shocked because Kenchanagowda is hurt. Kenchanagowda, Bhimaraya, ಈ ಪರಂಗಿ ಗುಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಎದಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತ್ರಿ, ಎದಿಯಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತು. ಲೇ ಪರಂಗಿ ಪಾಪಿಗಳೇ, ನಿಮ್ ಎದಿ ಸೀಳದೆ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಭೀಮರಾಯ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು. ಹ ಹ. Okay, so Kenchanagowda is hit with the bullet and he is telling to Bhimaraya that the bullet has hit my heart and don't leave these Britishers. And he is also warning the Britishers that just like how you tore my heart, Bhimaraya is going to do the same thing to all of you. And he dies. Bhimaraya, Kenchanagowda. So he is feeling very sad now because Kenchanagowda is dead. British Adhikari, ಭೀಮರಾವ್, ಈಗಲಾದರೂ ಶರಣಾಗು, ನಿನಗೆ ಜೀವದಾನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. So now the British officer is telling to Bhimarao, at least now surrender. We will still spare your life. ಭೀಮರಾಯ, ಏನು ನನಗ ಜೀವದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಜೀವದಾನ, ನನ್ನ ಸಂಗಾತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸುಮ್ಮನ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಂಡು ಹಾರಿಸುವನು. So Bhimaraya saying, what? You are going to spare my life? I don't want that. You have killed my companions. I will also want to take revenge. I am not going to leave you. I am also going to kill you. And he throws a bomb. Gundu harisuvanu. He throws a bomb on them. British Adhikari, fire, fire. Gundugala surimale. And then when he does that, the Britishers again fire bullets on him. Bhimara, parangi. And now Bhimaraya is also hit by a bullet. British Adhikari, ha ha, Mandaragi Bhimarayage gundu bittu, geluvu nammade. So the British officer is saying he is hit by a bullet and now victory is ours. Bhimaraya, e parangi, ನಾನು ಸತ್ತರೂ ಈ ನೆಲದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ ಬಂಡಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾವಿಲ್ಲ. So Bhimaraya is saying, even if I die, it's okay. The revolution and the revolt that I have started will have no end. ಈ ನಾಡಿನ್ಯಾಗ ಈ ಬಂಡಾಯದ ಕಳಹೆ ಮೊಳಗತಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So he's saying, now that I have blown the trumpet of revolt and this sound is not going to stop, it is going to continue. ಈ ಜನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಾಸ್ಯದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತರಾಗೋ ತನಕ ಹೋರಾಟ ನಡೆಸೇ ತೀರ್ತಾರ. So he's saying the people here, until they fight against the slavery and chase you out, all the people are still going to fight. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಈ ನೆಲದಿಂದ ಓಡಿಸಿ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆನ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So he's saying people will definitely chase you all away from here and they will free Mother India. Jai Mridagirisha, Jai Kanakaraya, Jai Kannadambe, Jai Bharatambe. So he tells all this and he has a brave death. He is martyred. So this is the story of Bhimaraya.